What's up guys, Joey from Carns Equipment. Today I have for you a pre-owned 2025 Kawasaki Ridge XR. Very nice machine, very low miles. It doesn't even have 200 miles on it. Aftermarket's on this machine. It does come with this 6,000 pound winch on the front. This machine comes standard, fully enclosed with glass, heat, air conditioning, even power windows. Factory tires are still on this. Still has the hairs on the side, so I mean that's a true testament to how low of miles this machine is. You got the nice aluminum wheels there. You can see you got glass all the way through here. Machine has power windows, and on the inside here you'll see you do have heat and air conditioning, full HVAC system. Previous owner also went ahead. You have a full stereo system as well, so your head unit's going to be up there, and then you got some speakers. Machine does have a dump bed. It's about the easiest out there in the industry. Very easy to lift it, and when it's loaded, it's just as easy to drop it down. Fully functioning tailgate on this machine, just like a pickup truck. That tailgate itself is going to hold 100 pounds or so. There's 4 tie-down points in the bed, so it doesn't matter if you have a cooler or firewood or anything, you're going to be able to secure your load. Big old heavy-duty rear bumper on here. We got some LED lights in there. Very nice machine. This is pretty much a brand new machine. It's a great way to get a brand new machine with heat and AC for a crazy smoking deal. Come on down to Carns Equipment, take it for a drive, and take it home.